look beautiful and stunning in your unit today. We wanted to know, how is it making you feel today?
Nothing makes a woman feel more beautiful than having her hair laid. I love the unit. I love the color. I love the ease of it. I love everything about it. I am forever grateful. Thank you for even thinking of me. I'm just looking forward to rocking a different one every week.
You look beautiful in it.
Thank you.
How do you feel about UNice's slogan, cannot be defined?
I love it because I can do whatever I want to do, when I want to do it, the way I want to do it, and I can just be me. I love it.
And lastly, how do you feel to be honored today? We are all here for you.
I don't even know what to think right now. Like, totally shocked. It's truly an honor for me. I'm just grateful to UNice, to Vanessa Myrick, Corinne Carter, just for setting this all up and making it happen. I'm truly humbled and honored and looking forward to having a good time.
Well, thank you so much again for wearing our wig, and I hope you enjoy your night.
Anytime you need to throw something on, I'm your girl.
Yes, well, thank you again.